Hey everybody, welcome to Frannie's Hair. Today I'm going to be reviewing for you this low density Jon Renau wig called Clementine in the color Malibu Blonde. So stay tuned. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to say head on over to frannieshair.com. We have so many great sales happening over there. We also put up new open box wigs every Thursday morning. So if you want to score some really great deals, make sure you check those out right away, right when they go up. They go quickly. And also, I wanted to mention my private Facebook group, Frannie's Hair. Come on over. We're almost at 3,000 members. I do put exclusive offers up there for our members, and we're going to have something up there when we hit 3,000 members. It's a great place to get support. It's such a great community. We have wig experts over there to answer your questions, help you with tips and tricks, and you'll get to see so many wigs on so many different faces, which can really help you choose a wig for you because, as we know, the stock photos are not always so accurate. All right, so come over and join us. It's so much fun. I'll have a link in the description below. So, Jon Renau has come out with 3 new wigs. This is one of them. This is Clementine. I will be reviewing all of them for you, and you can pre-order them right now at frannieshair.com. So this wig is definitely a low density wig. It's called Clementine. It is not a heat friendly wig. It's in the color Malibu Blonde, which is also known as 12FS12. And I'll be going over the color with you as well as the style. So let's talk about the style. I'm going to read to you the manufacturer's intent for this style. It says, "Meet Clementine, the epitome of the perfect bob with a contemporary twist. This classic shoulder-length bob features edgy blunt cut ends, infusing a bold and modern touch into the timeless style. Crafted with precision, the blunt cuts create a clean, straight line at the ends, delivering a sharp and contemporary aesthetic. Clementine boasts a well-balanced and flattering silhouette, ensuring you exude confidence with every wear. Equipped with a smart lace front and a monofilament top, this wig offers a natural front hairline and multi-directional parting for style customization. Experience amazing movement thanks to the long side layers, providing versatility and endless styling options. Elevate your style game and make a bold statement wherever you go with Clementine." So I'm going to spin for you first, and then we'll go over the measurements. This is such a pretty, natural-looking style. I'm loving it. And I like blunt cut ends for me. Show you the movement there. Hopefully I did that well. My back flexibility doesn't seem to be working today. I need to do some stretching. Okay, so let me tell you about the measurements. The crown is 12.5 inches. Oh, before I do that, let me tell you my measurements. My circumference is 21.5 inches. Forehead to chin, 8.5 inches. Ear to ear, I'm 11.5 inches. And forehead to nape, I'm 12.5 inches. Now let's do the measurements. Okay, crown, 12.5 inches. Sides, 8.75 inches. The nape, 4.25 inches. The bang, 11.5 inches. So there you go. And as I said, I'm 8.5 inches here to here, so that makes sense. And she weighs 4.6 ounces. She feels very light. Let's look at the lace front so you can see that there. Hopefully you get a good picture of that. I think it looks really nice. And the mono top, so she can be parted anywhere. And this style really does lend to doing so many styling things with it, and I'm going to try to do some for you today so you can get a look at that as well. Now, I put her on right out of the box. The only thing I did was I brushed the part to take the factory part out because it did have that crisscross part in, but that's all I did. So this wave that you're seeing here, that was there, and also I would say this piece here, I'm going to need to style off of my face. You can see that would fall in my face a lot. So what I'll do is I'll try the heat of my hands first. I'm able to get heat today. Some days I am so cold, I can't even get heat out of my hands. But today it's a little bit warmer, which is nice, although it's supposed to rain. And you can tell by outside it's pretty cloudy. So yeah, you can see that I already took it off of my face. But if that were not to work, I would steam, not getting the steam on the lace, and just hold it back until it dried and cooled off. Okay, let's talk about the color. 12FS12, which is Malibu Blonde. Right off the bat, this is a warm color. This is not a cool color. So I don't know if you've gone to my color charts at frannieshair.com. They're really great because you can go to your manufacturer, look up a color that you like or try to find a color that you like, and once you find one, if you click on that color, it'll bring up every wig that comes in that color. I think that's a really great feature. And there's also a legend at the top of each of the brands that tell you what their letters mean, because different brands have different nomenclature. So for Jon Renau, this is 12FS12, and FS is a fashion syrup collection with bold highlights. So hopefully you can see the highlights in there. Now let me read to you about the color. 12FS12 Malibu Blonde is a light gold brown, light natural gold blonde, pale natural gold blonde blend shaded with light gold brown. So hopefully you can see the light gold brown. Yeah, I'm going to have to steam that piece. And the gold blonde, and you can see that that's a warmer color. Whenever I hear gold, I'm thinking warm versus ash, which is cooler. All right, so let's try on the glasses. Before I put on the glasses, let me show you the ear tabs, and let me tell you that I have not adjusted the adjusters at all. It's fitting me fine. We'll take a look at where the adjusters are to let you know how I think this will fit. This definitely will fit in average. I don't know if it'll go larger or not. Okay, so here's the ear tab. You can see the coverage there, and this is my hair. So I do have a decent amount of hair that comes forward here. Anything gray is mine. So this will give you an idea of the coverage there. Let me show you the other side. Yeah, so you can see some of my hair there. The ear tab goes like that. All right, now let's try on the glasses. So the glasses fit under the ear tab for me, so no problem whatsoever. And by under, I mean if the ear tab comes like this, the glass is actually under it. That glass bow, I think somebody told me that's what that's called. Okay, so I don't even know if I can get it over the ear tabs. I can, and that's fine too. No problem with glasses with this one at all. All right, next I'm going to take it outside to show you the color. Then I'll come back in, do a little bit of styling, and then we'll look at the cap together. Okay, so here we are, 12FS12. It's an overcast day, so I think you're getting a really good view of the color here. The golden browns and the golden blonde. Try to turn a little so you can see that. Pretty. Let's take a look at the cap. Lifting it from the back so that I'm not pulling at the lace. Okay, so here you go. You have your lace front here, which goes pretty far back, and then your monofilament top. The velvety ear tabs with the metal stays. open wefted, the extended velvety nape, and the Velcro adjusters are pretty much out to the outer edge there. You might be able to get them open a little bit more. I would say this definitely goes to an average. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that review of Clementine by Jon Renau. It's a low density wig. It's a beautiful style. If you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments below. Come on over to our private Facebook group. We have so many people that can help you there. Also, there's a contact form over at frannieshair.com where you can put any questions in and we will get back to you as quickly as possible. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Remember to make it your own, and I'll see you soon.